Hello, what's up guys? In today's video, we will be creating this kind of cinematic title design using Adobe Photoshop. This design is fully customizable, you can change its color, and the best thing is you can also edit the text. If you want to download this project file, check the link in the video description. It is absolutely for free. So subscribe to the channel, also ring the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post any video just like this one. Anyways, let's jump to the video and get started. Okay, so here we are in Photoshop, and the first thing that we need to do is to create new document. Let's go with 1920 by 1080 and the resolution is 72 pixels per inch. Click on create. Select the pen bucket tool, make sure your foreground color is black, and then click on the canvas to fill the selected layer with the foreground color. Now drag and drop this image into the Photoshop and then confirm it. Create a curves adjustment layer on top of it and adjust the curves just like this to make the image darker. Now create a hue and saturation adjustment layer on top of it. Check the colorize option. Increase its saturation to about 60 and hue to about 180. Now drag and drop this image into the Photoshop. Change its blend mode to screen. Press Ctrl U to open hue and saturation. Same thing with this one. Check the colorize option, increase the saturation and adjust the hue. Now the background is ready. So the next thing that we need to do is to add our title. So select the type tool, adjust its size accordingly. Click anywhere on the canvas and type whatever you want. Confirm it. Pick the move tool and align it to the center. Now convert this layer into a smart object so we can edit it later. Duplicate it by pressing Ctrl J. Select the bottom layer, right click on it and choose blending option. In the layer style menu, click on color overlay. Click here and then pick any color that you like. Make sure the color is matching the background. Now zoom in a little bit, press Ctrl T to open transform tool and then squash it inside by moving this little box to the left side while holding shift. It will create a fake 3D extrusion which is looking nice. Now select both layers, press Ctrl G to put them in a group and then call it main title. Now same thing applies to the subtitle. Select the type tool, adjust its size accordingly, click anywhere on the canvas and type whatever you want. Now select these text and press Ctrl T to open character panel and then increase its tracking to about 1200. Position it to the right place and convert the layer into a smart object. Duplicate it by pressing Ctrl J. Right click on this layer and go to blending option. Click on color overlay in the layer style menu. Pick a color that matches the background and then hit OK. Now drag this layer beneath the text layer. Press Ctrl T and squash it inside. Press Ctrl G to put them in a group and then call it subtitle. Now the last thing that we need to do is to create the title bar. So let's create new layer, select the rectangular marquee tool and make a selection just like this. Make sure this layer is active, the foreground color is black, select the pen bucket tool and click here to fill the selected area with black color. Pick the move tool, hold Alt or Option key on your keyboard and drag this layer down to duplicate it. Select both layers and merge them together by pressing Ctrl E. Let's call it film bars. And now it is done. Let's create a hue and saturation adjustment layer on top of it and you can change its color by moving these sliders. You can also change the text. Just open this group. Double click on this layer, it will open another document and here you can type whatever you want. Once you are done, align it to the center, close the document and save it. And Photoshop will update everything for you. That's it for today guys. By the way, if you want to learn how to create this design, you can watch this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Hit the like button if you like this video, subscribe to the channel, also ring the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post any video. I will be catch you in my next one. Till then, peace.